This is the Weichai marine engine. I think our old friends also got the Weichai marine engine is 3 years quality warranty. Yes, for that engine, I think you also really this engine is Weichai 10 series, and the engine power is 300 horsepower, and the engine speed is 1000 RPM. You can see, and for this side, we can see this is the color is the Weichai blue, and here inside here it is the cooling water inlet and the cooling water outlet. We can see here this side it is we have the for shipping we have the cover here that to protect it, and for the engine we also have the part number on it. Please don't worry, and here. Also, this side is for the flywheel and the bell housing side. This side is for you to connect to your gearbox. And for the engine, we also have you equipped with the pipe here. And from this side, we can see this is the air filter. And this design for the air filter is put the light fixing, not the before side. That can help you save some space in your engine room. And here is the turbocharger. For the turbocharger, we also have the cover on the side that can protect you. Yes, and here is the cooling water inlet from this side. Here is the cooling water outlet. You can see this is the certification. Yes, very great. And then here is for the drain ladder here. Yeah, and this is the cable for the oil sprayer and the oil temperature, and this one is the oil filter. 2 air filters here. Yes, and here is for you to inspect the oil here. And you can see we supply you other seawater cooling with the original Weichai. Also have the Weichai logo with the spare parts. And from here you can see this is the engine starter and the air connector here. And this side is the filter cooling here. And here you mentioned here is the filter. This is the cooling, and from this side you can use this one to drive your steering system that can help you use it not and very easy to operate. For you to aid the view here. You can see, and you can see this is the 6-cylinder marine engine. There is the injector and then the ejection pump on the side. And for this one is for you to connect to your use the through the cable then to your gearbox to your steering system.